Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
So Graham, what alternative materials are commonly used for in-floor heating and how would they compare to POBE?
Realistically, there's only one other alternative instead of polybutene for in-floor heating purposes, and that would be an oxygen barrier PEX piping. Now, there's different classes. There's Class B and there's Class A of PEX piping, and we can go into more detail on another video about the differences of Class A and Class B. But what you are looking for is an oxygen barrier piping, what means that the pipe itself is not permeable to oxygen, so oxygen cannot get into the pipe. And why you're looking for that is because if oxygen gets into the pipe, it runs its course through the boiler, and the boiler actually has steel components in it, and it will rust out your entire boiler. So there's only one other alternative, and that is oxygen barrier PEX piping, and that's it.
PEX piping it is.
PEX piping it is, eh?
Thank you.